To grade your form, you can access it two ways. In your classroom, click on your assignment, and then click on the form here. Likewise, in your Drive, you can also navigate to the same form. When you're in Classroom, make sure that you click View Responses. You can see that it's identical to the one that I opened. It's just on the Response tab out of my Drive. So this is a great screen to come to after your students have taken the test. You see a summary on the first tab. You can look at your responses by individual question. You can also see your responses by individual student. Since I only have one student that has taken this, it makes it a little bit easier to see. But currently you can see the score is 2 out of 4 points. The score is not released, and here's your option where you can release it, which means it sends it back to the student. I want to check out the summary. Remember how we had the one question that was a short answer that I said you may need to think about the possible responses. I want to check in on that. So it gives you some great data right here from the top, and it shows you the frequently missed questions. It also gives you statistics out to the side. So as we go through and you hover over, you can see that it gives you, with Google's AI, very clear and easy to read information. So my student got Patrick Henry correct. And then when it comes down here, you can see that there's one response. And down here, the next question, they got it wrong. The correct answer is highlighted in green with a check mark. Same for down here, the student got it correct. Now I noticed that this says GW. This was not an answer that I had marked to be allowed to be correct. So that tells me that I might want to check this out by question. Because the others were multiple choice, it's easy to know that those are or are not correct. As I toggle through using the caret down on the bottom right-hand side, you can see each of the answer options. Here's where we can see that the student marked or typed in GW as the answer. I can see that it does not match any of my possible answers in the answer key. However, I do know that we referred to George Washington by his initials many times during class, so I'm going to go ahead and give this student the correct answer. Notice down at the bottom it says that edits are pending, gives you the option to save, and then once it is saved, you can go back now and check out your summary. It changed. Bumped that student up to 3 correct. And when you are satisfied that you have all of your short answer questions correctly answered or correctly scored, you can go ahead and click Release Scores. It will verify. You can add in a message and click Send Emails and Release. Don't worry if they don't have emails. We'll cover that in the next video. When you come back to your Google Classroom, you'll see that the student has turned it in and still no score here. One last thing you need to do before you're ready to send it back to the student officially. Click Import Grade, verify, and you can see that the score shows up over here to the left.